the swing is normal.
Whoa. Whoa. You felt that chill, babe?
No.
A little windy.
A little nippy.
Welcome to the mountain station, elevation 8,516 feet. Be sure to keep holding on as we approach the dock. We are going to bump the sides. We may hit pretty hard, so please be sure to hold on tight.
Hold on.
Hold on. Where did I touch it? Almost. Yep. Look, closer. Look at that race.
I know.
We made it.
Made it.
Good job.
Today we're on a 20-minute schedule. The train will be leaving every 20 minutes on the hour. That is subject to change.